the Election Commission, which is very soon all set to initiate the process to hold the vice presidential elections. Election Commission will soon be initiating the process to hold elections for the next vice president of our country after Jagdeep Dhankar quit the post. Next vice president will have a full 5-year term in office according to constitutional provisions. Members of both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, including those which are nominated, will elect India's next vice president. Big question on everyone's mind at the moment: who will become the next vice president? My colleague Milan is now joining me on the story. Milan, Election Commission very soon all set to initiate the process to hold the vice presidential elections.
Well, yes, Aishwarya, as you closely track the Election Commission of India, you have also, put out through sources that after Dhankar's resignation, the post cannot be left vacant. And of course, therefore, the poll to elect the next person to the office should be held as soon as possible, is what the Constitution of India puts down. And of course, the new vice president will have a full 5-year term in office, although Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar could not really complete his entire term as vice president. This election will be taken forward with immediate effect, is what we learned from the sources. Also, that the members of both the upper house and the lower house, nominate the elected and elect the vice president, is what is the process. Calling the Electoral College to vote until the poll is a period of 30 days, which is stipulated by, the laws and the processes that are put in place. So certainly the next question is actually not what the EC is doing, but who will actually now sit on the post of, the vice president is something that is on everybody's mind there, Aishwarya.
Right, thank you, Milan, giving us all those details. My colleague also pointing out that the big question is who will become the next vice president. Election Commission will very soon initiate the process. The election will begin. MPs of both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, along with the nominated members, will be electing the next vice president of India.